Hi there, students. Ziggurat. A ziggurat. It's a noun. Okay, a ziggurat is a tower. I think in the old days, and I'm talking thousands of years ago, the people who were important were on a ziggurat. You've probably heard about the Tower of Babel as mentioned in the Bible. Well, this was a ziggurat. Okay, so a ziggurat is something that is a tall building. Yeah, a ziggurat is a symbol of power. If you look at animals, for example, if when I'm watching the chickens, the most important male usually stands on the highest place, and that's where he stands and he crows. So it's this idea of being high up gives you high status. Maybe you are closer to God or the gods or to heaven. Yeah? And clearly we are still obsessed by ziggurats. Look at the tall buildings the skyscrapers that they build in cities. Yeah, the world's tallest building. There have been competitions about what's the world's tallest building for well, I would say for thousands of years. Yeah, I don't know what is the tallest building in the world at the moment. It keeps changing. Yeah. Okay. So a ziggurat, it's like a raised platform. Yeah. A temple that's a tower. Normally, it's like a terraced pyramid. Yeah, with you've got different stories. Yeah, it's normally a ziggurat is a temple, and as you go up the ziggurat, it gets holier and holier. Going back to the Tower of Babel, I recommend reading Herodotus's comments about when he went up the Tower of Babel in 500 BC. Okay, so because he's one of or the first historian ever, or the one that is living. You could even have an adjective, Zigguratic. Yeah. So yeah, the Zigguratic constructions. The Empire State Building is clearly a Zigguratic construction. I would guess the Eiffel Tower, I might call it a ziggurat as well. People always want to go up the highest building. So I think even in animals, to take the highest position is the position of power, and this is the idea of a ziggurat. Yeah. And I think maybe ziggurats have always existed and will always exist. Yeah, so it's just this tall tower with various different levels. Yeah, but as I said, we're still obsessed with the ziggurat. So formality, ziggurat. I'm going to give it a 6.5 or even a 7 in formality. I think this is. I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation. Yeah, use it in an essay. Use it as a metaphor. The ziggurat that the important family lived in. Yeah, the ziggurat of power. Yeah, maybe yeah. The ziggurat of Parliament is Big Ben. Okay, so it's a ziggurat, a high point. Yeah, but I would also use it as a symbol of power, being above everyone else. Okay. As to origin, it's quite interesting. It comes from ancient Arcadian, Siccuratum. Zigguratum. So the word hasn't changed in thousands of years. Akkadian was a language from Mesopotamia, probably from about 800 BC or maybe even earlier than that. Um, yeah, well, maybe up to 2000 BC. Okay, so yeah, from the city of Arcadia. So a ziggurat, a tall tower. The pyramids are ziggurats. Yeah, I think they're symbols of power. Yeah, if you're at the top of the ziggurat, then you're at the top of the dung heap, as they say sometimes. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ziggurat and Zigguratic as well.